Hey everyone, it's Kim, Angeldreamcrafts, and I'm here to share with you a little oopsie from our dear friend Nola. Nola has a Facebook group and she sells all of her beautiful oopsie thrifting finds, and I'm going to have a link to her Facebook group in the description box for you guys. Excuse me. And you can go over and check her out. She has really great prices and a lot of really fun and unusual pieces. That's why I like to go over once in a while and get some goodies from her. Everything was wrapped absolutely beautiful, and I tore into it and thought, oh, what a dum-dum I am. I should have filmed it. But anyway, so here it is. It was wrapped beautifully, so thank you so much for that, Nola. And the first little package was wrapped in this really pretty pink satin ribbon, and she sent me some beautiful little freebies of these gorgeous little doilies. Super cool doily packs. Who can't use those? I mean, those will be great for all sorts of projects. And then the other package was wrapped with this really lovely copper and rose gold ribbon, which I love. This is really, really nice ribbon. I love it. So thank you for that, Nola. And then one of the first things I got when I saw it, I snatched it up, was this beautiful lace. There's 4 yards of it, I believe, and I'm very, very, very happy with this lace. I love it. It's soft, and it's got the top stitching on it, like the Alison lace. I hope you can see it. I know it's a bit dark in here today. We're just having one of those dark, cloudy days here. So I love that. And then, this piece is amazing. Look at this. This is a part of a sari. This reminds me of a heart, so I may do a project with that very, very soon because the color is absolutely stunning. And then you have this on the edge. It's so beautiful. I love this. I wish I had bought 2 pieces of that. That's just gorgeous. And then this is another piece that I got, and it's a sari as well, but it's like a rose gold. It's absolutely beautiful. Look at that embroidery. And then you have all this beautiful fabric here to work with on this piece. So it's a nice big piece. Nola had it all wrapped up really pretty. I love this. It's just gorgeous. Oh, and I was showing it upside down. There you go. See, it's so pretty I can't tell. Absolutely beautiful. So thank you for that, Nola. I love that piece. And then this is a sari bundle that she was selling in her store, and she had a few of these. I snatched one of these. I just thought they were so unusual. The colors are just amazing. It's like this chartreuse color. On the camera it looks a bit lime green, but it's not. It's more of a yellowy green, and it's got this hot pink accent. So it's really unusual and cool. So I got that, and then there's several pieces that are like this, which is the satin from the sari. So there's a few of those, and then there's a couple of pieces that have like the hot pink, where it sort of ombres into the hot pink. So there's a couple of pieces like that, and then there's a few pieces like this, which is the under part, what they use to sew the silk to. It's like a dyed muslin, I'm guessing, or a dyed linen. There you can see it's sewn onto that piece. So there's a few pieces of that, which will be great for making flowers. Super pretty. I love this color. It's really, really different and unusual. So that's going to be fun to do something with. And there's the inside pieces. There's a couple more of those. And then you get down into the beautiful hot pink, which I love. Look at this. So gorgeous. So gorgeous. I love that color. And then here's another beaded piece. And then this is so pretty. It's got like a little dragonfly, it looks like, on here. Right there. So pretty. I just love it. That would make a beautiful cover for a bag. And then there's the hot pink one that's beaded with another little dragonfly on it. I absolutely love that. And that's another piece from the inside of the sari, another satin piece, and then this beautiful pink piece, which I think was a freebie. Beautiful hot pink satin, and it has a little piece of embroidery right there, but that'll make like a gorgeous bag or something for sure. I can't wait to play with all this. So go over and check out Nola's Facebook group, and I'll put a link to Nola's YouTube channel as well, because Nola does lots of oopsie videos. She's known for her oopsies. So please go over and check out all the beautiful things that she has in her shop, and subscribe to her YouTube channel, because she's a lovely lady and she's a fellow Canadian, so got to give her that shout out too. So thank you so much, Nola, and I will be back very shortly with another video, because I have my package from Roseanne for our swap, and I'm very excited. Yay! So I'll be back in a minute, guys. Bye!